Konnichiwa minasan. Today, we'll be discussing another grammar points. In this video, we'll tackle tori as a commonly used grammar pattern along with its nuances. So let's proceed. Tori can be translated as according to, exactly as, or just the way it is. It is used to say something happens, looks, or matches what was said, written, seen, or expected as an outcome. This interjection expresses if you wanted to say exactly like this, which add nuance that the second clause perfectly matches the characteristic or quality of the first clause. Now let's check how to use it. So as you notice, we can use tori after a noun by adding the particle no. Of course, we can use it after a verb, whether it's dictionary, past, or plain form. You will notice that there is a shortened form of tori, which is also can be dori. Now you might be asking why sometimes it's pronounced as tori and sometimes dori. When you're using the no particle after a noun, it is tori. Now when the verb or noun sounds like I or e at the end, this becomes dori, such as hyote dori, hanashi dori, or setsume dori. Most often not, tori works safely for an all nouns. Tori ni acts as an adverb and tori da completes the ending of a sentence. Now let's elaborate it using the example sentences. Number 1, noun plus no particle plus tori. Tatoeba, setsume no tori ni yarimashita. Setsume no tori ni yarimashita. I did it exactly as the instructions said. Yoso no tori, ame ga furimashita. Yoso no tori, ame ga furimashita. Just as I expected, it rained. Number 2, the verb, it's either plain or past form plus tori. Tatoeba, ita tori no keka ni narimashita. Ita tori no keka ni narimashita. The result turned out exactly as I said. The result turned out exactly as I said. Mitatori konomachi wa shizuka desu. Mitatori konomachi wa shizuka desu. Just as you see, the town is quiet. Third, tori ni. So whenever we add the particle ni, this tori acts as an adverb. Tatoeba, shiso no tori ni arukimasho. Shiso no tori ni arukimasho. Let's walk according to the map. Sensei ga iyo tori ni kaite kudasai. Sensei ga iyo tori ni kaite kudasai. Please write exactly as the teacher says. Lastly, torida. This is a casual form of the copula des and simply used to complete a sentence. Tatoeba, kore ga uwasa no torida. So let's have our key takeaway. Tori is a word that you can use to connect two things or thoughts which expresses that they are in the same way. It will be what was written, said, seen, or something that you're expecting as a result. So I hope that this simple video helps you. If you like this simple lesson, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Mite kudasate arigatou gozaimasu.